Flooding in Khamis Mushait. The flooding was a result of heavy rainfall that swept across several cities in Saudi Arabia. Videos on social media documented the extent of the flooding, showing water levels rising, sweeping cars off roads, and submerging buildings. The Civil Defense Service urged people to stay away from valleys, lowland areas, and areas where rainfall waters could gather. The kingdom's rescue authorities, including the Red Crescent Authority, heightened their readiness in response to the heavy rain warning. The capital Riyadh, central Saudi Arabia, and the southwestern provinces of Asir and Jazan were also affected by the heavy rains. While these areas were alerted by a lesser orange level of severity, people were still urged to remain vigilant.